Arc flash safety. Arc flash injuries are more common than most people realize. Thousands of accidents occur every year, causing severe injuries, costly downtime, and even fatalities. At EFTI, we deliver live instructor-led arc flash safety training designed to protect frontline workers and ensure compliance with NFPA 70E CSA Z462 and OSHA regulations. We offer live online scheduled courses for individual electricians, engineers, and technicians, and customized live online and in-person group training for companies with teams of electrical professionals. These are the arc flash electrical safety courses we offer. NFPA 70E Electrical Safety. This course teaches hazard identification, arc flash boundary calculation, PPE selection, and safe work practices based on the NFPA 70E standard. CSA Z462 Arc Flash Training. Similar in purpose and content to NFPA 70E, but aligned with the Canadian CSA Z462 standard to reduce incident energy risks and protect lives and equipment. High Voltage Electrical Safety. This course teaches safe operation and maintenance for high-voltage electrical systems. Electrical Safety for EHS Managers. This course teaches how to design and manage electrical safety programs that are compliant. Electrical Safety Program Development. This course teaches EHS managers and safety leaders to develop and manage compliant electrical safety programs. It covers risk assessment, safe work practices, and PPE management aligned with NFPA 70E, CSA Z462, and OSHA 1910 standards. Lockout Tagout Training. This course teaches how to control hazardous energy and prevent equipment startup accidents. Electrical Safety for non-electrical workers. This course teaches how managers can create customized facility electrical safety plans. Our training is interactive. Ask questions, solve problems, and work through real-world scenarios, whether you attend online or in person. Students earn CEU and Professional Development Hour credits, a certificate of course completion, and take-home materials like digital electrical handbooks and technical guides to support ongoing learning. Empower your team with the skills to keep systems running reliably. Explore our Arc Flash electrical safety courses today and safeguard the heartbeat of your power infrastructure.